Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you two easy recipes of brown sugar body scrubs. As we all know, sugar is a very popular ingredient in skincare products because it acts as natural exfoliant, it does not clog the pores, it helps to eliminate defects, and it restores the balance of skin oils. Brown sugar also contains glycolic acid, and as you know, glycolic acid is very important for the health of our skin. Natural glycolic acids that are in sugar, they not only moisturize the skin but also protect it from different kinds of toxins. And thanks to the renewal of the cells, brown sugar helps to prevent the premature aging of the skin and softens the effects of exposure to the sun. And by the way, sugar scrubs are more softer and safer than salt scrubs and can be used for any type of skin. But it doesn't mean that I don't use salt scrubs. I do. And of course, I will share a lot of them on my channel. But today, let me show you the recipes of two scrubs that I prepared for you, and then I will tell you how to use them. Apply sugar scrub on a damp skin immediately after you made it to avoid the solution of sugar grains. That is why it is very important to make the sugar scrub before you use it. Be patient. Do not rush in achieving a quick result. There is no quick fix formula in anything, only patience and consistency. Do not apply scrub too often, especially in the winter, because the skin will not have time to renew its cells and will become unprotected. One time per week during winter months is more than enough. And of course, do not be afraid to experiment. And in a short time, you will be rewarded with a radiant, smooth, and tender skin like a baby. And that's it for today. If you liked this video and found it helpful, press the like button below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking on the red button below this video, and I wish you all the best, and I will see you in the next video.